Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today I'll be showing you an extension in Chrome called as SmallPDF. This is a very useful extension for dealing with a lot of stuff of PDF operations. So let's get started on this. Before that, but a small disclaimer that this primarily deals with the features of SmallPDF's free version, not the paid version. If you want the paid version, you are free to purchase that. But whatever features I will show you are of the free version, and it is more than enough for your daily needs, I think. So, how to install the extension in the first place? Go to Chrome's menu bar. From there, go to Extensions. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box above, type small PDF, and you will get this. Just note down the name of the developer also. Just click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and that's it. You can close this particular window which has opened. One small thing, I showed you this process for Chrome, but this is equally valid for any other browser like Firefox also. For Firefox, this will be the particular website addons.mozilla.org, and from here you will have to install this extension. So now let us test the particular extension. For that, let me open up a particular PDF. And as you can see, it has opened up in the your default Chrome PDF viewer. But here you can see that the small PDF tools have come up. So let us test the most important ones one by one. So now let's test the first tool. And this is a very common use case, that is converting your PDF documents to Word files. So from this particular tool section of small PDF, just click on PDF to Word. And what will this do? This will take you to smallpdf.com's site. From there, you can convert it to the Word format. Now, this particular file which I chose generally does not contain any image. It is mostly text. But if it heavily contains images, then remember that you have to use the second option, and this is a pro feature, which will cost you the license. So let us first test with the normal ones. So our export is successful, and let us download this particular document. It is asking to go or purchase the pro version, but you don't need that, of course. So let us open our document. Great, seems good, right? Now let us look at the next use case for converting PDFs to JPEG images. For that, the option is not here by default. You have to click on More Tools, and this will take you up again to Small PDF's site. There you have to search a little bit, but it will be easy. Here it is, PDF to image. Click on that, and it will start to work. Remember that the free option, in that you can change an entire page to an image, but in the pro version you can extract only the images from the PDF also, but I don't think so we'll need that. So let us choose the first one and click on convert. Taking a bit time. Okay, so now as this particular PDF contains 19 pages, obviously there will be 19 images. So let us download it. You can close this. Taking a bit time. So now the download is completed. So let us check in the Explorer. Okay, so here let us extract it first because this is a zip file obviously. So click on extract all. For Mac, the process will be a bit different. Okay, now I get all the files. Let us see. Okay, great. So now every PDF page has been converted to an image. Let us check one. Great, it works. The next feature is converting a PDF document to Excel. For that, I've taken a specific example, and let us now click on More Tools to find out that option. From here, you can see PDF to Excel. Click on that. It is writing done. Let us download it. So you can close this again. So let us check whether the Excel's rendering is proper or not. It is. So this has come in a proper way. But remember, PDF to Excels can be tricky if it contains a large number of tables and all. So this won't always be very proper. So guys, this particular video was becoming very large. So I have split other features like merge, deleting, compressing of pages, etc. and the AI summarizer into a second video. Please watch that. The link will be just right after this.